Hi, so let's see today how to create windows. Okay, as in my geometry, I'm just getting the windows and we will also check how to create the door. Okay, uh, I just will create a simple window and door because we are going to share just white render. It is just to showcase that if my geometry is done perfectly or not. So what I will do, I will first go to the isolate mode by pressing alt q on the keyboard. After that, what I need to do, simply just take a rectangle. Okay, go to the wireframe. Okay, let us remain in this view. I will on the snapping. Select the rectangle. From here to here I have a window. Okay, now I will convert this to editable spline. We will go to the spline. Spline means this whole geometry. Okay, so I will select this. Basically we have three parts. Let me explain you a little bit about it. First is vertex. Vertex means this is the vertex. Okay, I can only select vertex. If I will try to select the line, it will not get selected. Vertex means the point or where two segments are getting connected. Okay, so I can select only vertex. If I will select the segment, then I will able to select the segment, any segment. Okay, I can even select all the segment together. And if I need to select whole spline in one go, I will just select spline and I will able to select whole spline. Whole spline means multiple the geometry. The spline I am having in my geometry, I will able to select it. So see, I was able to select it in one go. Okay, now what I need to do, I will just give it a border. Scroll down. Here you will see we have a outline option. Okay, where we having this option in geometry. In geometry you will get this outline option. Okay, so let me add outline of around 20 mm. I guess frame will be little more, so control Z. Let me go to the isolate first. Okay, so this is my window. I will add 50 mm. Okay, so 50 mm frame I am having. Okay, now what I will do, I will give it a extrude. Okay, give it 10 mm extrude. Okay, now see, this is the frame of the window. Now I need to create the glass of the window. Simply, you don't need to do something extra. Just press shift, take the copy of this geometry. Okay, now let me show you how you can actually use this geometry. I will just go to this, go to the spline. I already explained you that I can select the spline, whole spline. Okay, so I will just select the outer spline and I will delete it. By doing that, what will be happen, let me select the inside spline. I will go here and see. Now what happened, this is the frame I got. Now if you will see, I will go to the top view and I will go to the wireframe mode. Let me okay, let's do one thing. The outer frame, I will give some more extrude to it. Suppose it's 30 mm. Now this is my mirror or glass. I will make it center of it. Now you can see my window is ready. So basically outer geometry was a frame and I have used the same geometry to create the glass by just some twists and turns. Now if I will go to the my full geometry, okay, so basically we have moved the geometry a little. Let me select whole geometry, make the snapping again. Sometime what happened that your geometry actually got uh, you can say move a little, or you know you need to do um, by mistake your geometry actually got displaced from its original position. So you can actually use one command that if my geometry is complete, I can select that geometry and freeze it. Okay, here is the freeze selection. What happened by freezing it, it will get freeze, it will not move. Now you will not able to select it. Now if I need to go and again unfreeze all. So basically I will able to unfreeze all the geometry. There is no selection here to unselect to unfreeze the particular geometry. So if I will click on the unfreeze all, then my geometry will get unfreeze. Okay, now let me check if my window is perfectly or not. So yeah, the window is outside of the geometry. Now we will select and we will snap it. Okay, it totally up to you. You want to make it at the center of the geometry or wherever you want to put it. Now I will use the same window for all the windows I'm having right now, or even the door. Okay, so I will just take copy of it because my dimension of the windows are different, so it will be more easier for me to change the sizes. Now one thing is there, right now my geometry in window I have two geometries. Okay, one is for the frame and one is for the mirror or the glass. Okay, I can create them one object. Okay, and then I can use it. So I will go and convert it to the editable poly. We'll select the vertices. Okay. Let me control Z it. We will connect it. Yeah. Now this is the first spline. Okay. I'm having right now two splines. So I will select this spline if I am sure that I don't need it to be. Okay. So this is my setting. Go to the spline. Okay. For the timing, I will just show you that how to change the sizes. Okay. Regarding other setting, we will have a different session, otherwise the video will get long. So I will just go here, will take this vertex, I will snap it according to it. Okay, now you can even do the same process. You can even take a copy of that geometry and delete that and do same thing. Okay, it totally up to you, whichever you feel that it will actually helps me to save my time. It totally up to you. Now you can see I have even attached the window here. Okay, the rest is the door. can even take the same and take its copy. Same procedure. I need to repeat the same procedure. First I will snap it so that I will get the, for snap S is the shortcut. Okay, now I will just go to this geometry, go to editable spline. I will just select the vertex and I will snap it. In the same way, this is my glass, and you can see this is my glass and my pivot point is here. You can actually align it. Okay, from here you can even go to the center of the object, align to the object, or align to the wall. These are the advanced settings. For timing, I have assigned it at the center of the object. Now I will use the vertex and snap it here. However, I guess door height must be different, but I guess it's the same. No, we need to increase the height. So I will select the, okay, let me first select the outer geometry and we'll snap it to the floor. And when you need to actually add the original door here, right now I have just covered my geometry, you can see here, but if you actually need to add the original door in your geometry, okay, then I will show you that while designing any geometry we don't design every element, okay, because there are online website from where we get the 3D models, already designed 3D models, okay, so it actually saves our time. So I can get those sofas, interior, all the element of interior from those websites, and they are free of cost. Okay, you can actually download those files and merge into your scene and use them. Okay, I will show you that how to create full interior scene or outer scene in the next videos, upcoming videos. Till now I hope you got that how I actually create the door and window, simple door and window, just a frame and having a glass. Okay, I hope it's clear till now. Thank you so much.